everyone, Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming back with another DIY Cricut Wednesday, and today's video is sponsored by Cricut. I'm gonna share with you how you can take the items that you already have in your home, shop your home as they say, and give them a fresh new look using Cricut Design Space and your Cricut machine. And I'll be using the Cricut Explore 3, and I'll be using the Easy Press. And the vinyls I'm using today is a white glitter iron-on, and I'll also be using the Smart Vinyl in black. So let's get started on today's DIY. Alright everyone, here is my desk. I have a small space. I have no room for a separate office, so I have my office desk within my living room. So here are the bins that I have to keep little storage. I keep my vinyls in here, and you know, some papers and stuff that I have. I keep them in these boxes I got from IKEA, and it's a little plain, so your girl is gonna spruce it up. Now I'm gonna go on to Cricut Design Space, which they have lots of images and themes for you to choose from, and it comes free with your Cricut machine. So we're just gonna pick the image that we want, and this is the image that I have here, and I'm just gonna send it to my Cricut to be cut. And when you're doing iron-on within Cricut Design Space, you have to mirror your image and also place your vinyl shiny side down to cut it. So now I am just going to weed the excess vinyl that I don't need. Okay, so now we have our pressing mat, and we have our Easy Press too, which I set the temperature to 330, and we're going to press it for 30 seconds. All this info you can find on Cricut Design Space. They have a heat chart that tells you everything to use when you're pressing iron-on. Okay, so now we have our boxes, our cubes. I unzippered it. See, when you open it, it folds, and to lay it down flat, you unzipper it. So we're going to put the iron-on on this surface here at the front. So we're just going to place it onto our pressing mat, and then I'm just going to use the roller and take off any excess lint, and then we are going to just press the surface for a quick second, and now we have our image. Isn't this nice? So we're just going to try, and I'm going to try and center it as best as possible. And I'm just going to put a Teflon sheet over it. And now we are going to press it for the 30 seconds. Now I am speeding up the pressing time. There we go. Then we take it off. Feels good. Okay, I know you're supposed to turn over your garment whenever you're doing iron-on and press it for another 15 seconds, which I can't do this with this. So I'm just going to press it again for 15 seconds. And again, I'm speeding it up. And there we go. And then we just take that off, and it is a cool peel. So just let it cool down. Okay, so now it's cooled down. So we're just going to gently lift up the plastic. And there we go. It looks so nice. I know it's not doing, the camera is not doing it justice, but it is so nice because it's a glitter iron-on and it's white. I love it. So I have 3 more to do. So I'm just gonna do the 3 and then show you the finished look. And here is how it turned out, you guys. I love it. I used my Cricut machine, use images in Cricut Design Space, and have a lovely refresh for my office desk. I think the appearance of my desk looks absolutely lovely now. I love it. The camera is not doing the vinyl justice. It looks absolutely beautiful. So leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of my desk, how it looks now. I'll show you the before right here And then now the after. Tell me which one you like best. I think it looks absolutely beautiful. Now for our DIY refresh number 2. I have this unit here I got from IKEA. So I'm going to call it an IKEA hack. Yeah. So here is the unit. It's plain on the sides. And your girl's going to give it a refresh. Okay, so I'm going to go into Cricut Design Space again. Get the images that I want to use, which are these here. And I'm also going to be using these 2 images. So I'm going to send them to my Cricut to be cut. And this time I'm just using the Smart Vinyl in black. So now I'm just going to weed the image. Both of them. And now we have these mirrored pieces that I got from Amazon. I think they were 6 by 9. So I'm just going to remove the protective layer that it has on it, a plastic sheet to help protect the mirrors. And then we are going to take our image that we cut with our Cricut machine. I'm just going to center it as best as possible. And then we're just going to use our scraper and burnish our image onto our mirror. Just scrape it down well. And now we're all done. We are going to just remove the transfer tape. Just take your time. I don't want to mess up the mirrors with my fingerprints. And there we go. So now I'm just going to put the protective piece of plastic back over the mirror because we'll be handling these mirrors to place them onto the unit, and I don't want to mess up the mirror with my fingerprint like I said before. And then here is our next set of images. So we're just going to do the same thing and lay them down, and then we're just going to burnish them onto the mirror, and then we're just going to peel back the transfer tape. Again, I'm trying to be careful not to mess up the mirrors with my fingerprints. And once again, we're going to put back the protective plastic over our mirror. Alright everyone, so we have our pieces that we did with the Cricut. And here's my stand. Again, we're going to do the side of it to refresh it. Give it a brand new look with our Cricut, with the help of our Cricut, yes. So here are the pieces. And I have back over the protective foam over them like I showed you. I placed it back. I think I showed you the white ones, yeah. Some of them come with blue, some come with white. It's the same protective foam over them, not a problem. Here is one more look of our before. So we also have this side here that we are going to spruce up also. Okay, we are going to start with laying our first mirrored sheet, and I'm just going to take off the paper on the back because it does come with a self-adhesive on the back of the mirrors. So I'm just laying them like you see me doing right here, and then we're just going to smooth it out. This is why I have the plastic back over the mirror, because we are going to handle these mirrors to place them onto the stand. And now for our next mirror. I'm just going to continue placing our mirrors going all the way down. And now I'm going to remove the plastic off of all the mirrors because we're all done pressing them down. Okay, so now I got this side done. So I have these pieces to do the other side. So I'm going to do that and come back and show you the finished look. Alright everyone, here is how it turned out. I love how it looks. I think it looks lovely. It's a lovely refresh using my Cricut machine. You know, the images within Cricut Design Space, they have hundreds of images and themes for you to choose from. So you could just use them and refresh, repurpose, and make something that you have at home look brand new and lovely again. You don't have to go out and buy something new. You can fix up what you have and it will look absolutely lovely, just like this. I love how it turned out. And here is the other side. Remember, we have to do both sides of this unit. Alright everyone, that's all your girls got for you today. I hope you enjoyed my ideas of how you could take something old that you have sitting at home and spruce it up again, give it some more life, give it a nice refresh using your Cricut machine. Yeah, so we use the Easy Press and we use iron-on vinyl, and we also use permanent vinyl. Yeah, to help spruce up the stuff throughout our home. You don't have to go out and buy anything new. You can refresh what you have and it looks absolutely lovely. And it has your own personal touch to it. Yeah. So, like I said, that's all you girls got for you. And I would like to thank Cricut for sponsoring today's video. Once again, thank you guys so much for coming on and seeing the DIYs that I had to share with you. And remember, as always, to stay blessed from Petalisbless, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye everyone.